removal of the case cover lock is pretty simple. The trickiest part is getting here. So I'm sitting inside the storage compartment just so that I'm not in the way of the camera. Most people would prefer to just lean over here and undo 1, 2, 3 Torx bolts. Then you can pull the latch closer to you and do the rest of the removal. So first thing I'm doing is prying a flat screwdriver into this electrical connector to pull it off. Then I'm taking my Torx T30 and undoing the 3 bolts. One, don't lose the bolt, put it in a safe place. 2, and number 3. With that, the latch is going to be freed up. I want to watch out not to lose my bolt here. Well, I'll catch it as I take the latch out. Come on, bolt, where are you? Where did I drop it? Oh, it's stuck inside the latch. I'll just have to shake it loose. So we just learned catch this bolt as you pull it out. I'll move on already to removing the hoses from the latch. Which just requires to pull out these beautiful pins that are really easy to pull. You just lever your screwdriver on here to loosen them, and the clips are out. Then remember the hose numbers. Hose number 31 is on the shaft end, hose number 32 is on the blunt end. These hoses pull straight out and the lock is removed. I'll just get my screwdriver now and shake out this bolt that I so gloriously dropped in here. Getting it worse. So I'll get that out in a moment. There we go. There we go, there's that. And we replaced that latch with a replacement from Top Hydraulics. Put the hoses back in where they belong. 32 on the blunt end, 31 on the shaft side. Give the clips a little tap with a screwdriver or a hammer to go back into place. And then we line the latch up again and put our bolts back into place. I don't think I have to show you how I fasten the bolts. And then we put the connector back on. Imagine I had put the bolts back in already. Note that this latch is height adjustable. You just want to match the washer marks where they were before, or the screw marks, and your latch is going to be in perfect position. There we go. Ta-da!